You're watching Tap Tech, the channel where real reviews meet the latest technology. Today we're diving into something that has been creating serious buzz in the gaming world, the ROG Ally X. This device is designed to push the limits of portable gaming, and what ASUS has done here is nothing short of exciting. But the big question remains, is this just a small upgrade or a true evolution worth your money? Stick around, because we'll be breaking down everything from specs and design to real-world performance, battery life, and overall value. The ROG Ally X is ASUS's refreshed take on its handheld gaming console, bringing in notable hardware improvements while keeping the focus on versatility and raw power. At its core, the Ally X comes with AMD's latest Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor, which is designed to handle AAA gaming with efficiency while still allowing smooth emulation and lighter gaming tasks. The unit is paired with faster LPDDR5X memory, giving you much improved multitasking and smoother gameplay compared to the earlier version. The storage options are also more generous, going up to 1TB SSD, with expansion possible thanks to a replaceable M.2 slot. The design of the ROG Ally X looks familiar yet refined. ASUS has gone with a slightly thicker build compared to the original Ally, but this change comes with purpose. The bigger size makes room for a larger battery and improved cooling, which are crucial for sustained gaming sessions. The chassis still carries that premium matte finish with strong build quality, and it feels sturdy in the hands. The grips have been reworked for better ergonomics, and the buttons and joysticks feel more responsive and durable this time. It's portable, comfortable, and has a premium handheld feel, which is exactly what you'd expect from ASUS's ROG line. Moving to the display, the Ally X doesn't disappoint. It sports a 7-inch IPS panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1080p resolution, making it perfect for both fast-paced shooters and immersive single-player titles. The brightness is strong enough for use in different lighting environments, even outdoors, though it shines best indoors where the colors really pop. The high refresh rate gives it a competitive edge, making everything from navigating menus to actual gameplay look incredibly smooth. Performance is where the ROG Ally X makes its case as a serious handheld contender. Thanks to the Ryzen Z1 Extreme chip and AMD RDNA 3 graphics, this device can handle modern games with surprising ease. Titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Elden Ring run at playable settings, something that handheld gaming used to struggle with. ASUS's Armoury Crate SA software allows you to fine-tune performance profiles, whether you want maximum battery life for indie games or full power for demanding AAA titles. Multitasking is also smooth, making it not just a gaming machine but also a mini PC when docked with accessories. Software and features add another layer to the Ally X's value. It runs on Windows 11, which means you're not limited to one storefront. Steam, Epic Games, Xbox Game Pass, or even cloud gaming services are all supported. This makes it extremely versatile, though managing Windows on a small screen can sometimes be less intuitive compared to a dedicated gaming OS. Still, the flexibility is unmatched. Armoury Crate SE gives you access to performance tuning, button mapping, and game library organization, which really helps optimize the experience. One of the biggest criticisms of the original ROG Ally was battery life, and ASUS has clearly listened. The Ally X packs a significantly larger 80Wh battery, almost double the previous model. This makes a huge difference in real-world use. Instead of struggling with 2 hours of AAA gaming, you can now comfortably get 3 to 5 hours depending on settings, and even more with lighter tasks or streaming. Charging is handled by USB-C with fast charging support, so you can get back into action quickly when the battery does run out. For gaming and creative tasks, the Ally X holds its own. Whether you're editing photos, streaming, or gaming on the go, the combination of powerful internals and responsive display makes it suitable beyond just entertainment. The cooling system has been reworked as well, with a larger dual-fan design that keeps temperatures stable without getting too loud. It's clear ASUS prioritized both performance and user comfort here. Audio is another area where the Ally X impresses. Dual front-facing speakers provide surprisingly rich and loud sound for a handheld device. The addition of Dolby Atmos support gives more depth, especially when using headphones. Whether it's explosions in an action game or dialogue in an RPG, the sound is immersive and clear. Connectivity is also strong. You get two USB-C ports this time, one of which supports eGPU connections, opening the door for desktop-level performance when docked. There's also a microSD slot for storage expansion, Wi-Fi 6E for stable online gaming, and Bluetooth for wireless accessories. Compared to many handheld competitors, this makes the Ally X stand out as a truly versatile device. Price and value always play a big role in these reviews, and the ROG Ally X is expected to land at a slightly higher cost than its predecessor, likely in the $799 to $899 range depending on configuration. That positions it competitively against devices like the Steam Deck OLED and Lenovo Legion Go. Considering the upgrades in battery life, performance, and overall build, the Ally X delivers strong value for gamers who want power and flexibility in a portable form factor. Of course, no device is perfect. The pros here include excellent performance, improved battery life, better ergonomics, and versatile software support. On the flip side, Windows 11 can feel clunky on a handheld, the price is on the higher side, and while cooling is improved, long AAA sessions still drain the battery quickly. It's a balance between power and portability that users need to keep in mind. In the end, the ROG Ally X is exactly the kind of upgrade fans were hoping for. It fixes the weaknesses of the original model while pushing forward with better performance and endurance. It's not just a small refresh, but a step closer to making handheld gaming a true mainstream experience. If you're a gamer who values portability without sacrificing power, the Ally X deserves a serious look. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we bring you real reviews without the fluff. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest takes on the latest devices, and we'll catch you in the next one.